I want to bring in IRS Commissioner Danny Werfel. Good morning to you.
Morning.
I was asking if you were watching the Masters over the weekend. You said it's a busy weekend for the IRS.
It is.
Because, it's a busy weekend for everybody else who's trying to get their tax materials completed. It's a busy weekend for you because...
Well, because a lot of the returns come in...
over the weekend.
Over the weekend and today. On a day like today, April 15th, we might see 1 million returns come in every hour. And at this point, it's really making sure that our technology can handle the load, and so far, so good.
And you were saying how many filings an hour?
1 million.
1 million an hour?
Yeah, on April 15th. Yep.
Okay, can I ask a terrible question?
Please.
And I've been that guy. I've gone down to the post office down here on 34th Street because it's still open till like midnight, on the 15th.
Yes.
Just so I get the postmark.
Yes.
If I got the postmark tomorrow, what would happen?
You potentially would get a late filing penalty or fee. Yes. But here's what I'm going to tell you to do.
Is there a grace period or not?
Here's what I'm going to tell you to do.
Yeah.
Don't walk down to the post office. File electronically.
Right.
Select direct deposit, and we will get your refund in under 21 days. And here's something that a lot of taxpayers don't realize. 2 out of every 3 taxpayers that are going to file by tonight's deadline are actually owed a refund. And so it's in your interest to get your taxes done, because 2 out of 3 of you, we're going to pay you.
Okay. One of the things that you are doing this year, and you're running a pilot program, which is fascinating, to effectively create a portal where some people, not a lot of people, but some people can actually file online. They don't have to use TurboTax. They don't have to do something else. They go straight to the website. Yes.
It's a new way of filing your taxes. First time we've done it. Online, direct with the IRS, for free. It's called Direct File, and we ran a pilot this year. We were in 12 states. We had 19 million people in 12 states eligible.
And how many people, can you tell us how many people have tried to use it?
We know for a fact that it's in the tens of thousands, and I also know that in the last 24 to 48 hours, it's really ramped up in terms of the number of people who have filed using Direct File. The feedback on it has been great. We've heard from taxpayers that it is easy to use. It was quick. Of course, everyone loves the price tag. It's free.
It's free. You don't have to use TurboTax. You don't have to use an account. I mean, do you need an accountant, or these are for relatively uncomplicated tax returns?
This year, the eligible taxpayer typically had a standard deduction, no separate business income, and no, you don't need an accountant. The reason why this is important is because we want taxpayers to have options for how they file. We're not saying use Direct File, it's the only way to go. We're saying when you come to irs.gov, or you're searching what's the best way for me to file my taxes, it's better for you to have options. So if you want to work with a software provider, you should.
But the folks at Intuit have been lobbying like crazy people to avoid this from ever happening. So is your expectation, I know you don't talk politics, but is your expectation that this is going to roll out in a major way come next year after this pilot program?
We are going to make an announcement later this spring on the future of the program, and but I will say that the results so far have been encouraging. I'd also say that, the IRS doesn't run the tax system alone. These companies are our partners, and they play a critical role in making the whole thing work. Here's what's interesting about this filing season. We had a significant increase in the number of people filing for free, not electronically, not just with Direct File, but with the software providers as well.
What about tax cheating? Can we talk about tax cheating? Not the folks who are not filing at all. That's a whole separate issue. But what is the stuff that you're looking for this year that you think you guys had not looked for in the past?
It's all about complexity. It's the complex returns, because what happened was the IRS was underfunded for many years before the Inflation Reduction Act. And what happens when you're underfunded? You lose pace with what's going on in the world and what's going on with the economy. And for simple filers, middle, low income, and mom and pops, we didn't lose pace. There's no new wave of audits coming for those individuals, and those small businesses. Where we are really working to increase scrutiny is on the complex filers where we believe there's a risk of tax evasion. So I'm talking about, for example, multinational corporations who may be inappropriately moving money to other international tax jurisdictions with a beneficial tax rate.
So you're not talking about, now we're into businesses, you're not even talking about individuals.
We are looking at millionaires and billionaires.
There's always the focus on millionaires and billionaires, but you think the real money is in corporations. By the way, you've brought a lawsuit, I believe, against Microsoft recently. as it relates to taxes?
Well, I'm not going to comment on any specific taxpayer, but our focus broadly is in these three buckets: large multinational corporations or large corporations in general, complex partnerships, some of the largest in the world, and then the wealthiest individuals in the United States. These are millionaires and billionaires. And where we started was at the most simple issue, which is millionaires and billionaires who owed back taxes, who are delinquent, or who haven't filed. And we've already, in just a couple of months, collected $500 million in tax delinquencies from millionaires and billionaires.